There are many products available to choose from ping pong balls, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best ping pong balls from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jula 3-Star. I feel the best table tennis training balls right now are Jula's 3-Star Advanced Balls. They are made to adhere to the ITTF specifications for 3-star ping pong balls. However, they are not approved, hence there is no ITTF logo on the ball. As is the case with many Jula products, their advanced training ball works out very cheap in relation to the rest of the market. It's the cheapest ball I could find from a trusted table tennis brand. Jula, a professional table tennis brand trusted for 60-plus years. Launched in the 1950s, Jula has been the proud sponsor of the biggest tournaments in the world, including the Olympics, World Championships, and US Open. Equipment designed for all levels. The Jula Training Table Tennis Ball Set includes 12 plastic, regulation size 40+ millimeter, 3-star balls. Whether you choose white or orange, these balls are perfect for recreational play or a training one-on-one match. Start playing like a champion with equipment developed for champions. Number 2. Nitaku Premium 40 Plus 3-Star. For as long as I can remember, Nitaku have been known for making the highest-rated ping pong balls when it comes to quality, and I don't see this changing anytime soon. Their Premium 40 Plus balls ooze quality. They utilize a unique polymaterial that isn't featured on balls from other brands. In my opinion, as far as quality goes, they are the best, if not one of the top few. However, like the Butterfly R40 Plus, they are super pricey. This means if you pick them up, you'll likely want to reserve them for league play rather than casual matches. These balls feature outstanding roundness and consistency. Manufactured in Japan from special polymaterial, which is produced exclusively for Nitaku. These balls are safer and far more durable than their predecessors. A new generation of table tennis balls that replaced balls made from celluloid. Number 3. Butterfly R40. Butterfly gear is always overpriced, but you can almost always be certain that it's of good quality. One of the few times their products let me down was with their early plastic table tennis balls. They didn't feel perfectly round and were a bit shiny and slippy for my liking. However, that was some time ago. The R40 Plus is their third-generation plastic ball and represents one of the top-rated ping pong balls on the market. The trouble is, it's just so damn pricey. At $3 a ball, they are one of the most expensive. I don't buy them as I think they're overpriced. However, I see them all the time in my league. If quality is all you care about, they are a solid option. The 3-star A40 Plus is Butterfly's newest plastic table tennis ball. These are professional table tennis balls approved by the International Table Tennis Federation, ITTF, and USTTA for top-level tournament play. The ball itself plays very similar to that of a traditional celluloid ball, but is more. The A40 Plus balls are regulation size 40 millimeters and are very round, characterized by the exact same thickness at all points. This creates a very consistent bounce that can be appreciated by table tennis players of all levels. This ball is made in China and manufactured under strict quality control, achieving high uniformity, stable rotation, speed, and balance. Professional table tennis players can depend on this ball just like they depend on other Butterfly table tennis equipment to have the highest quality. The ball is available in either a 3-pack, 6-pack, or 12-pack. The Butterfly 3-Star of 40 Plus is the official ball of the 2018 World Table Tennis Championships in Halmstad, Sweden. Take your game to the next level with Butterfly. Number 4. Butterfly 40. One of the most popular types of training balls is the Butterfly 40 Plus training ball. As it's made by Butterfly, it should come as no surprise that these balls are of good quality. However, they are wildly expensive compared to other brands. They cost more than twice as much as the training balls by Jula and Sanway. Surprisingly, They are actually within 1 cent of the price per ball of the Gambler P40 Plus 3-star ball. Given this fact, I see little reason to purchase them. However, like Apple fans religiously purchasing the latest iPhone every year, many Butterfly fans will stick with the brand as they continue to pump out overpriced gear. While it's true they are being shortchanged in terms of value, these are good table tennis balls as far as quality goes. Number 5. Nitaku Nexel 40. While many of us are used to playing with white balls, it doesn't hurt to have some orange table tennis balls handy. This is especially important if you play in an area with a white or light-colored background or an area with poor lighting. It seems half of the venues I play at somewhat tick this criterion, so using orange-colored ping-pong balls makes sense. However, there are very few orange balls to choose from, much less than when celluloid was the ball material of choice. Fortunately, top ball brand Nitaku makes an orange ball, the Nexel 40 Plus. It's a little different from their premium ball, but not that much. Not only is it one of the few ITTF-approved orange balls available, but it was also the first to be released. If you're after an orange ball for match play, Nitaku Nexel ping pong balls are the clear top choice.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier.